Good day, welcome back. So, if you are new to this channel, please before you go, I just want you to subscribe. Before you go, like and share. Let's do a quick analysis on our DXY today. As we can see about yesterday, our prediction was right. As we can see about yesterday, if you watch my video yesterday when I said that our price will be pushing up, right, and we actually had that push up, but we were expecting our price to hit about 1.152, but actually it was about, we were about 18 pips away from our target before our price drops. And today, for it, we are also going to be going back up. If possibly we hit this our target, and if we don't hit our target, then definitely we should be able to hit this our target, which is about 1.150. If we can hit 1.150, then probably we should be aiming to hit 1.152 for today. That is it. So our targets for yesterday was supposed to be 1.152, but we were 18 pips away from our target before our price drops. At least we were about here. Our price pushes up to about 82 pips, which was actually not a bad one for yesterday. We actually went up, but unfortunately we had, I will call it a correction, a pullback. We had this push up. That's what I'm seeing it. Then we had this push down, and we are definitely going to be having this push up, which will be breaking above this our previous higher highs. These are our previous higher highs. We will probably be breaking it today, so we should be watching out for it. Our DXY probably going to be going bullish for today, so let's watch out for that. Let's sit on our daily time frame. As you can see, we actually be going bullish, by the way, so watch out. We are about to break above this our 1.152. Same thing with our 1 hour time frame, still showing us the move, because it has broken above this our previous, would I call it, higher highs, previous two higher highs, as we can call it. On our 1 hour time frame, by the way, we saw a push up, we saw a retracement, right, we saw a push up, then we saw this big retracement. Definitely we are going up. As we can see, uptrend we see, as we can see, and this one previous broke above this previous one. We can see it broke above it, so definitely we are still on an uptrend on our 1 hour time frame. So probably we are getting a little bit of pullback, then definitely we should be breaking above this very very soon by the start of the opening London session. Right now we are still at the, how do I call, in the Japanese section, Tokyo section. Right now we are still at Sydney and Tokyo section, so definitely by the start of the London session we should have broken above it, and then we'll be able to break above this one and continue going on. So exactly what I am seeing DXY for today. So before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.